Kaizer Chiefs' perfect start to the Betway Premiership came to a crashing halt on Tuesday evening as they slumped to a 3-1 defeat against the sharp and disciplined Sekhukhune United at FNB Stadium. Bradley Grobler proved to be a tormentor-in-chief yet again, scoring twice and setting up the third, as Eric Tinkler's Chargers extended their own unbeaten run to 6 matches and reclaimed top spot on the log. Kaizer Chiefs coach Nasruddin Nabi handed striker Flavor Da Silva his first league start of the season, rewarded for his impact off the bench against Golden Arrows before the international break. Raef Rosler and Gaston Sereno were also recalled, while Thabiso Monyane and Duduzi Shabalala dropped to the bench. The visitors struck first blood inside the opening exchanges. A defensive lapse between Aiden McCarthy and Paseka Mako allowed Tsepo Mazipi to break free down the right and squad for Grobler, who tapped home from close range the first goal Amakhosi have conceded this season. The Soweto Giants hit back almost immediately. A clever through ball from Sereno released Godly Lilebo, who cut the ball back for Da Silva to bundle into the net on 12 minutes, his second strike of the campaign. Buoyed by the equalizer, Chiefs began to assert themselves. Rosler and Sereno both tested goalkeeper Toaster Nzabata, but the Zambian shot-stopper stood firm to keep the scores level at the break. Just 4 minutes into the second half, however, Sekhukhune regained the advantage. Chiefs failed to deal with the loose ball in the box, and Grobler pounced with a clinical finish into the bottom corner, his 12th career goal against Soweto Giants. The hosts were still reeling when Grobler turned provider, rising highs to flick on a header. He sent Tabang Moran a clean throw on goal. The midfielder showed ice-cool composure to slot past Brendan Peterson and make it 3-1. In response, Napi rang the Chargers, introducing Shabalala, Tsabo and Wandile Duba just after the hour mark. Chiefs dominated possession in the closing stages, with Shabalala and youngster Mfundo Vilakazi seeing plenty of the ball, but Sekhukhune's defense held firm to shut down every attack. When the final whistle blew, it was Tinkler's men celebrating a statement victory, one that ended Chiefs' unbeaten run and underlined Sekhukhune's title credentials. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.